Now, in terms of grammar, when we speak in any language, we normally mix verb tenses, and there are some tenses that are frequently together. When we talk about life experiences in general, we tend to use the present perfect tense. And when we move to providing details about our experiences, for example, when we say what happened and why it was important, we tend to use the past simple. The phrases like, I have visited many temples, and I have not got sick refer to experiences in general. Notice the use of the verb have, followed by the past participle of the verb in affirmative sentences such as I have tried all Mexican spicy food. In negative sentences, for example, I have not got sick, the verb have is followed by the word not, and then by the past participle of the verb. For questions, for instance, have you done anything interesting? We use the verb have, and then we mention the person we refer to, followed by the past participle of the verb. Be careful. Remember that in English we have regular and irregular verbs, and sometimes the past participle might seem the same than the past form, but the meaning is different. How do we know if it is a past experience or a finished past situation? It always depends on the context. We have to think what the conversation is about. When people talk about a life experience that has happened or not, they use the present perfect tense. And when they speak of a finished past action, they use the simple past tense. Let's review now. When we talk about life experiences, we can talk about them in general or be more specific. When we mention things in general, such as I have traveled to Mexico, we use a grammar tense called present perfect simple. But when the action is finished and we want to be more specific, we say, for example, I went snorkeling yesterday and I saw an enormous turtle. Here, we use a grammar tense called simple past. Sometimes we share with others a life experience and we provide the details. That is why it is very common to find that when we narrate the stories, we use the present perfect tense for giving some information, and the simple past tense for describing in detail.